Peace, you too. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video today. I am not going to be before you long, but it's going to be a good one. We are going to talk about the DXY, Bitcoin, and AUD USD today. And before we jump into the charts, because you know I'm a chart girl, I love the charts, we are going to take just a quick moment to give you some announcements because this week, the start of spring, is jam-packed with awesome goodness that I want to share with my YouTube audience, my Instagram following, my Facebook following, wherever you follow me at. I want to invite you to these spaces this week because it's about to go down. Okay, so starting tomorrow is Crypto Tuesday. If you don't already know, if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, please do. I'll have the description. I have the links in the description box below. But we have Crypto Tuesday where my personal mentor, Cobain Branch, is presenting our opportunity on how we trade all kinds of different markets and how we accumulate wealth through cryptocurrency. So I invite you all to that meeting that we are having on Tuesday that we have no other than Twister, the rapper. He is going to be on there with us. He is going to be on Go Live with our mentor, Instagram Live. So make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can get those notifications of when they will be going live on Tuesday at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. on Tuesday. So I look forward to seeing you there. This is just a special announcement that Tuesday at 8 p.m. on Instagram Live, we will have a special guest with our mentor, my personal mentor, Cobain Branch, Twister, the rapper from, I think from the West Coast. Anyway, y'all, everybody know who Twister is. So jump on, learn about crypto. It's free. Everybody has an Instagram. I want to see you there. All right. And then what else do I have for you guys? Starting this week, Wednesday, we have a 48-hour sneak peek behind the scenes look at our Binary Options Academy, also known as our High Frequency Academy. We are inviting any and everyone who is interested in understanding the spaces and the opportunities that we have behind the wall of I Am Mastery Academy. And we are giving you the opportunity to jump in for 48 hours. We are going to set up your demo account so you could trade live with us. You are going to learn a strategy that you are going to get to learn absolutely for free with our top educator, Mr. Matty Pips. If you're not familiar, Google him on Instagram or Instagram him and find out about him. Okay, so this Wednesday, if you are interested in getting that sneak peek for 48 hours behind the scenes of what we have to offer, please let me know. Inbox me on Instagram, inbox me on Facebook. Let's get you that sneak peek behind the scenes of what the Academy has to offer. It will be free for you, and I would love for you to join me because I will be there with you getting these bags. Okay. All right. So that's enough for the announcements. Let's jump right into these charts. I hope that you can see my chart here. I am looking at Bitcoin USD. Before we start into Bitcoin, because I know everybody comes here for the Bitcoin charts, let's take a look at the DXY. The DXY here to me is very interesting. Let's go ahead and make this bigger. All right, so we're gonna make this bigger so you guys could see everything. Excuse me, we're on a daily time frame here. So as you can see, pretty much all of 2019, 2021, we were just on a down, 2020, we were on a down trajectory. And, you know, the United States dollar had gone all the way down to, 89.165. So it was a pretty down year for the DXY. The value of our dollar has gone down. As the new year has came in, and since February of 2021, you can see that the DXY has experienced a bit of a bounce, a bit of a healthy bounce too, if you say so, if we do say so ourselves. On that daily time frame, you can see that we are approaching an area of consolidation, or what some people may say is an area of supply, where there are potentially sell orders still sitting here waiting to push the price back down. That is what we could see in the market. This is a very clean, simple markup that I did for you guys, but you can see we were on a nice downtrend. We broke that trend. We retested it beautifully like clockwork. And now we're working our way up the opposite way in what we looks like an uptrend. Now, fundamentally, this looks like a breakout, fake out, weird type of situation to me from a fundamental standpoint, because we have printed $1.9 trillion in stimulus, and that naturally makes the dollar weaker. But for some reason, we're, holding on strong. So can't be mad at that. So let's go down to a lower time frame. As you can see on here, I put this nice consolidation box right here just to identify that we're on an uptrend. And now that we have stopped in this box, as you can see, price has broken out of that area and held above there. It held above there for this 4-hour candle and also on this 4-hour candle. So let's take a look and see what that looks like on the 1 hour. All right, so you can see that we've broken out of our consolidation zone. We are looking to push past that zone, and we could see a potential push, like I said, to that supply area on the weekly, right? So if we push up there during the weekly time frame, let me move this down. If we push up there during the weekly time frame, we could see a nice rejection from that zone. So guys, just be mindful of 93.20. I don't really give out signals and things like that on this channel. We basically look at the market and we just take a look and see what we see to analyze and how we can prepare for the week to come. So we could see just simply that the DXY is still very bullish, which means anything that's in the opposite direction of the DXY is potentially to be, falling down or bearish in the moment. But from this consolidation, we've pushed out of this box. We can see price travel on upwards to the 93.0 area. Now, with that being said, let's take a look at one of my favorite pairs to trade, because it's nice and simple, quick and easy. It's not a big headache, and it is one of the most friendly pairs to trade in the Forex market, in my opinion. So as we can see here, with most recent price action on the 4-hour, we are in a healthy downtrend. And when I say healthy, what I mean by healthy, because people like something downtrend, that's not healthy. I don't want it to be in downtrend. I want it to go up. No, what I mean by it's healthy is that it's textbook is drop down, pull back, drop down lower. A better description of that is what a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, something like that. I'm not great with the Forex lingo, but I understand what I'm seeing when I'm seeing it. But right here, we have a nice little trend line. And like I said, we can see price is consolidating right along with the DXY. Let me grab a little box so you can see it and it'll, make sense to you. I don't know why it started way over there, but yeah. So we're in this consolidation zone where we are breaking back down into the box. So from the bottom of the box, we could see maybe a potential push up, or we could see a break below, close, retest, and go down further. If we're looking to continue to sell all USD down, because we're currently in a downtrend, then we would be looking for the DXY to continue up, and it may go past the supply area that I identified before. So one way that I like to kind of do that, I like to use the measuring tool, sorry, had to look at my iPad for something really quick. I like to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So we could potentially see price push up to this area. If depending on what the DXY does, depending on the fundamentals, whatever happens in the news this week, it just kind of depends, right? And because when you're in a consolidation mode, for the way that I trade, you kind of wait for the breakout of which direction it breaks out, and then you follow the momentum. You don't want to be the person that's trying to guess, in my opinion. And positive pips are all good pips. So if you get 20 or you get 200, hey, it's winning, right? So anyway, we're in this consolidation zone. We could possibly see price push up to the golden ratio area and then drop back down, meaning that the DXY is continuing up, which is a little strange because we got fundamentals is like that doesn't match. So with the fundamentals in play, just have these things in your mind. If you see price pushing up past this trend line that we identified on the 4-hour time frame, you see price pushing up past that, it breaks above retesting this goner, then pull up your DXY and say, oh, we hit that supply zone and we're falling off the DXY, and all of that will make sense, right? Okay. Last but not least, we're going to take a look at BTC. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So if you've been on my channel, then you know me and my team, me and my my mentor, everybody that that I personally trade with. We are heavy in crypto this year. This is crypto season. This is the bull season. We're shouting it from the rooftops. And if you miss it, we're so sorry for your loss. But we've been saying it. So anyway, as you can see, Bitcoin is pushing again. We have this daily trend line that we have been holding pretty much since December of 2020. We have just been on a beautiful, nice, healthy upward trend. We go up, we pull back, we take a nice rest, we grab some more orders, and then we take off again. And we pull back, we take a nice rest, we bounce back and forth, we accumulate, we're grabbing orders, then we take off again. We have made a higher high from here to here. Let me just make that a little easier. So from this high to this high, you can clearly see that we made a higher high. We have, again, a nice healthy pullback. Nothing about this pullback says that anything was dangerous and we should be scared. And guess what? Boom, our daily trend line held right back up. So for me personally, guys, I'm all bull. This is crypto season for me. I am looking for buys. I actually entered this trade here last night in this area. And one beautiful thing, again, by this measuring tool, the Fibonacci retracement from the previous low to the high, sweet spot zone, your golden ratio, buy that bad boy and take it on up, right? You can't beat fibs. You can't beat fibs. So if the things that I have shared with you today in this video are helpful, or you watch them and you're able to apply some of the things that I talked about to your personal trading, please do so. I'm going to leave my Instagram and Facebook link to my Facebook group below. It's a private group. In there I share information of different announcements, and sometimes we talk about trading ideas. Not that much, but sometimes we do. So I would love for you to join. And until next time, see ya. Oh, one more thing. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay.